or you want to use the midday price, or you want to use volume instead of price. And so you realize how quickly you can expand into this massive, massive effort. I'm talking about an effort that would take like an entire data center to do. But you know what, Mike, knowing the business and knowing what I know, there's probably companies out there doing that, right? I mean, I'm nearly positive there's probably, hedge funds out there that are doing something similar. Maybe with profit, maybe with their own tools, right? But like, this is what you do, right? You can go out there and say, okay, I have a pretty good time series tool. Let me go apply it to everything I can find. I'm going to apply it to every stock. I'm going to run 700 permutations of my hyperparameters, right? That's easy to do. And I'm going to run it against opening price, closing price, midday price, weekly average, whatever, in the hopes of finding that model that approaches zero with our metric, right? In this case, we chose MSE. Because, can we find a model that approaches zero with MSE to be able to create predictions? Because MSE is ultimately a measure of our predictive cycles, right? Sorry, let me go back to the deck. So these are the 3 projects that you could pick up today and start looking at.